In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a return request from your purchase history, and we'll aim to make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible. Whether you've simply changed your mind about returning an item or perhaps resolved an issue with the seller, canceling a return request is often a quick task, and I'll guide you through every step. First things first, let's navigate to your purchase history, your personal record where all your recent acquisitions are recorded. You'll usually find this by logging into your online account on your preferred shopping platform and looking for a section labeled Purchase History or something similar. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the items you've purchased, and it's from here that we'll identify the return request that we wish to cancel. Now take a closer look through your purchase history to find the particular item for which you've made a return request. Sometimes it helps to use the search bar, if you have one available, by typing in keywords related to the product. Once you've found the item linked to your return request, there should typically be an option or status update next to it that says return requested or pending return, indicating a return process is ongoing. The next thing you want to do is click on that return request. This might be shown as a separate link or button, allowing you to delve into the details of your return. Clicking it will open up the specific details of your request, including the reason for the return and any messages exchanged with the seller. It's important to verify that this is indeed the return request you wish to cancel before proceeding. Once you're certain you've selected the correct item, look for the option labeled Cancel Return. This button is normally situated in the Details section of your return request page. By clicking on this, you're indicating that you no longer wish to proceed with returning the item. After clicking Cancel Return, you'll typically be prompted to confirm your decision. This step is crucial because it officially withdraws your return request. You might see a pop-up asking you to confirm the cancellation. Take a moment to ensure that everything looks right, particularly checking that it's the correct item. When you're ready, go ahead and click Confirm. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully canceled your return request